3-inch notch.
Put a little bend through this area, all the way through. To get past previous screws or nails,